Talk It Up, and thanks for dropping in. Well, this crazy COVID lockdown has got us all shackled again, having trouble getting out, but the upside to that is it's given me a little bit of time to get the Talk It Up YouTube channel up and running. I'm still a little bit limited as to being able to get around and meet with truck and car owners, particularly I'm staying away from Sydney because we're out of Sydney. But to kick things off, the first video I'm going to do is on my own classic truck. That truck is a 1973 D1530 International. It's powered by a 354 Perkins Diesel engine and a 4-speed transmission. So it's no rocket, but it's as rugged and dependable as an old pair of boots. I've affectionately named her Mabel. I've had Mabel for about 2 years now. She was originally purchased to cart water for our house water tanks during the drought, in which over that time on the back of that truck I've carted about 200,000 litres of water in increments of like 3,000 litres per load. So she's worked pretty hard for a truck that wasn't meant to be used much at all. So just a little bit of history on this truck before we launch into the video. The truck was bought new by a gentleman called John Lewin of Tumbalong, New South Wales. John bought the truck from the International Harvester dealer in Cootamundra, which was Jack Howard and Co. at the time. They're no longer in business. He thinks, and his memory's fading a little bit, John's getting on, he thinks he paid $3,700 for the truck at the time. John carted sheep and cattle on the truck, so it must have had a crate on the back, into Wagga and Gundagai, and he also used to use the truck to move water around his own property as well. The truck remained on John's farm at Tumbalong for about 44 years before being sold to another property owner at Coolac in around 2017. I bought the truck from that guy, his name is Graham, and I bought the truck from him early 2019 to basically cart water for myself here, as I said. At the time that I purchased the truck, the speedometer was reading 74,200 miles. So I won't bore you any longer. Let's get cracking with the video. If you like the video after you've watched it, give us a thumbs up. Not that one, that one. And remember to subscribe. It's down there in red. You can't miss that one either. So let's get cracking with the video. Cheers. Was.